This is Solar Powered Superman, project number 2 for Physics 2020 by Kelly Lancaster. Superman, the Man of Steel, derives his superpowers from the unique ultra-solar rays of Earth's yellow sun that penetrates the Earth day and night. Superman's cells act like solar batteries. They absorb solar energy from the sun. How does he trap this solar energy? Plants do it. Maybe Superman is using a form of photosynthesis to build up tremendous reserves of energy that he needs for his super feats of strength. The sun's heat and light energy are constantly radiating in all directions. It makes its way to Earth's surfaces miles and miles away. Our yellow star is made up of mostly hydrogen. The sun's energy is produced by nuclear reactions within and off its exterior. Nuclear reactions, unlike most chemical reactions that have electron interactions, react with the nuclei of atoms. These reactions require massive amounts of energy to initiate, and because of the law of conservation of energy, produce massive amounts of energy released. The nuclear reaction taking place within the sun is fusion of hydrogen nuclei to form helium nuclei. At this temperature, the reaction is inevitable of taking place. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and our planet's source of fuel. Its presence is essentially in all molecules within living things. Through proton-proton interaction, it powers the universe. It's composed of a single proton and an electron, and it has 3 isotopes. These isotopes become relevant during the fusion process. Fusion is ultimately 2 hydrogen atoms fusing together to make a helium molecule. At the temperature of the sun, the protons repelling one another is impossible because they are moving and bouncing around so quickly. Collisions are inevitable. At collision of 2 protons, one of the protons emits a positron and a neutrino, and this is converted into a deuteron. Another proton can collide with this new formed deuteron and emit even more mass and energy, and forming a helium-3 nucleus. When 2 formed helium-3 nuclei collide, they emit 2 protons. This leaves the molecule as a helium-4 nucleus with mass loss and even more energy released. During the collision, the proton's mass lost is converted to form energy. Einstein's E equals mc squared quantifies the energy in nuclear reaction. With c equaling the speed of light at a whopping 200,099,792,458 meters per second, even a minuscule amount of mass will be equivalent to astronomical amounts of energy. And the sun is said to be losing 4.3 billion kilograms per second. The energy released by the sun is electromagnetic radiation. The visible form of this is what we see of light and is the source of heat and energy to our planet. The sun's energy is responsible for many things. The sun heats all of the life surfaces, creating energy to fuel various forms of light. Sunlight drives plant life via photosynthesis, and animals survive by eating plants. And this is the same energy that is said to be absorbed by Superman. A group of students at the University of Leicester performed an experiment. They believed that Superman was not capable of getting all of this energy from the sun. They are comparing his cells to be as efficient as any other solar cells. The highest solar cell ranked in at about a 44.7 efficiency. In the case of Superman, they took a rough estimate of his body area and exposure to sun rays and worked out that he could absorb 1,096 joules per second from the sun. They calculated the amount of energy that it would take to take a journey to the sun and the amount Overshot could possibly absorb in one day. Based on the two figures, the students calculated that Superman has a solar cell efficiency of 6,056%. He has used far more energy in flight than he could possibly absorb from the sun. Considering the law of conservation of energy, Superman must be getting all of his energy from an alternate source. Thank you so much for watching, and I do encourage you to look at Superman's solar-powered feats break a fundamental law of physics.